tie-dye crafts?
Yes!
Well, great, because today we will be making tie-dye rugs.
I'm ready!
So stay tuned and let's get started. Let's have a look at what you need for these super cool tie-dyed rugs. You will need some rocks, lots of crayons, a tray, and some gloves to protect your hands. These tie-dye rocks are so much fun, and guess what? They are super easy to make too. So let's get started. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now place the rocks onto the tray. Put the rocks in the oven and let them heat up for about 20 minutes. Step 2. While the rocks are heating up, peel the paper off the crayons. Did you know that tie-dyeing originally came from China and Japan? Step 3. Press the crayons onto the hot rock and watch it slowly melt. You can use as many different colors as you'd like. Put them back onto the tray or a piece of parchment paper and allow them a few minutes to dry. And it's that simple. Beautiful, colorful, and fun tie-dye rocks in just a few minutes. And we are done with our tie-dye rugs. Did you have fun making these?
Yes! Look how colorful they are!
And it was so much fun to make. Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye!